Hi there and welcome to our knowledge session video on making tax digital. My name is Chris and I'm the training manager here at the NAV People, and in this video I'm going to be taking you through making tax digital and what HMRC want to be able to get out of this, and then I'm going to talk you through our 4 possible solutions that we've come up with. Okay, so making tax digital. The reason this came about is mainly to do with HMRC. HMRC has this wonderful ambition at the moment that they want to become the most digitally advanced tax administration in the world. And basically what this means is they've decided for that all organisations that pay VAT will need to do it digitally straight up into their own system and stuff like that. Basically this means that tax administration will become more effective, more efficient and easier for taxpayers. However, let's face it, when you sit there and look at the line where it goes, yes, but we're also going to be saving £9 billion every year for the Exchequer, for people that, or organisations that have incorrectly submitted their tax returns, you can kind of see why they're actually really doing it. Yeah, because £9 billion is a lot of money for them to be saving. So, with that in mind, the question then comes in is, well, what information are they looking for? Okay, so the information that we basically then need to submit digitally will be the VAT number, your VAT number, the period of which you are currently submitting for, so whether that be monthly, quarterly or yearly, and your usual boxes 1 to 9. So I'm not really that much of a fancy person, but you can see on the screen that they've got the 9 boxes that we have typically had for years, and those are the 9 boxes that you then have to submit for. That is all the information they want. The only difference is rather than a user typing them into the onto the website, as a lot of organisations currently do at the moment, is they need this to be submitted digitally directly from a system, but directly into them. Directly into their HMRC system through a government portal. All right, so you need a government gateway ID and password. Later on, they're going to be talking about a digital link. So this is basically the link that basically coincides from your ERP system. So in this case, we're going to talk about NAV and Business Central. A direct digital link straight from that piece of software straight into HMRC. Okay, so a lot of questions have come up about what exactly a digital link is. So to explain this a little bit better, is I've taken an extract from the HMRC website, and it basically says a digital link is an electronic or digital transfer or exchange of data between software programs, products or applications. A common question that we've been asked is, does current copy count? Because that's a digital transfer from one software to another. No, it doesn't. In fact, HMRC have explicitly said the use of cut and paste does not constitute a digital link, except during the soft landing period as set out in paragraph 3 of the next force of law. I will go into a bit more detail exactly what the soft landing period is for all the organisations before later on in this video. So it's basically this digital transfer of information from one system to another. I've got a lovely diagram now to actually show you this, but basically we've got NAV, Business Central on one side, and we've got HMRC on the other, and basically we've got this digital link that transmits the information from the NAV system straight into HMRC. Okay, so it's a direct digital link. However, there are some organisations which might not necessarily be able to have a system that's going to be able to do this straight off the bat, and they might have to go through a bridging sort of process. So in the bottom section, we show this bridging sort of process. Now, I've put Excel in there, but it doesn't necessarily have to be Excel. But basically what it means is that as long as you are transferring the information from your NAV or BC environment into Excel, and then you are submitting it from Excel to HMRC or any other third-party software to bridge it into HMRC, then you can do that. Okay, it's basically this digital link constitutes this digital auditable trail that you're going to have to show that there is no human has interacted with those figures during that process. All right, so no human interaction whatsoever.